Deep within this architectural marvel, a world of intricate craftsmanship begins. Every journey of precious metal begins with unwavering security, ensuring its safe passage into the heart of creation. Within these impenetrable walls, the raw essence of luxury awaits, ready to begin its extraordinary transformation.
The meticulous journey begins here, as every gram of precious metal is carefully weighed, documented, and secured. Each container, a treasure, meticulously logged into a system, its journey tracked from the moment it enters our care. Within this secure sanctuary, every precious metal finds its designated place, awaiting its destined transformation.
Each seal, a promise of purity and protection, safeguarding the integrity of our most valuable assets.
Beyond physical security, a digital fortress constantly monitors every movement, every detail. From the vault's cool embrace, the journey continues into the fiery heart of transformation, where raw elements yield. With practiced hands and unwavering focus, raw gold enters the crucible, ready to surrender its original form. Witness the alchemy as solid gold yields to fire, transforming into a liquid river, pure and incandescent.
From molten liquid, the gold takes its first structured form, a gleaming ingot, promise of future elegance.
Cooled and solidified, the gold ingot emerges, a testament to precision engineering and the power of transformation.
Even in its rawest form, the gold undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the purest quality proceeds. Through the immense power of the rolling mill, the rigid ingot transforms, yielding to become a malleable sheet. Each pass through the rollers refines its form, stretching, thinning, preparing the gold for intricate design.
To unlock its true potential, the gold must be softened by fire, annealed, ready for the artisan's touch. A cleansing bath purifies the gold, stripping away imperfections, revealing its radiant, unblemished surface.
Through automated precision, the gold sheets emerge perfectly dry, ready for the next crucial stage of refinement.
Under the unforgiving glare of the light table, every gold sheet undergoes a meticulous inspection for absolute perfection. With surgical precision, the laser carves intricate designs, transforming the gold sheet into delicate, detailed components. The journey of a custom necklace begins as a digital dream, meticulously sculpted in the virtual realm. From digital blueprint to tangible form, the 3D printer brings intricate designs to life, layer by painstaking layer. The master's touch, an unparalleled blend of experience and artistry, scrutinizes every curve of the wax model. The centrifugal force, a marvel of engineering, ensures molten gold fills every minute detail of the intricate mold. From its protective shell, the gold component emerges, a testament to flawless casting, ready for refinement. The artisan's touch begins, meticulously filing and refining, transforming raw cast into a polished foundation. Under the spinning wheel, the gold's true brilliance emerges, polished to a mirror-like finish, reflecting light exquisitely. Each polished component, a puzzle piece, meticulously organized, awaiting its precise place in the grand design. The delicate dance of fire and gold, as components merge, seamlessly united by the artisan's precise hand. Piece by delicate piece, the custom necklace slowly takes form, a masterpiece of intricate design unfolding. Every finished piece enters the final crucible of quality control, where perfection is not just a goal, but a mandate. Under the magnifying gaze, every facet, every setting, is meticulously scrutinized for flawless perfection. The final touch, a gentle polish, enhances its brilliance, preparing this masterpiece for its grand unveiling.
The final presentation, a work of art in itself, cradles the masterpiece within, ready for its grand debut.
Unveiled in its opulent sanctuary, the custom necklace, a symphony of gold and diamonds, finally reveals its splendor. From every angle, its magnificence is undeniable, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and timeless design. A single diamond, a universe of brilliance captured, each facet meticulously cut to ignite unparalleled fire. Sealed with precision, the luxury box bearing our mark now protects a masterpiece, ready for its discerning owner.
Through a symphony of precision logistics, each luxurious package embarks on its journey, a promise of elegance delivered.
Finally, in the hushed elegance of our boutique, each masterpiece awaits its discerning owner, a story untold.
A price that reflects not just gold and diamonds, but the culmination of art, precision, and unparalleled legacy. The culmination of a dream, a testament to desire, as a discerning customer connects with their perfect masterpiece.
A touch, a connection, as the artistry of the necklace resonates with the discerning soul of its admirer.
As dusk falls, the factories sleep, but its creations awaken. Carrying the cycle begins anew. Fresh gold nuggets, each a promise, enter the meticulous world of high-value manufacturing.
With careful measure, raw gold fills the crucible, anticipating the fiery crucible of its profound transformation. Automated precision guides the crucible into the induction furnace, where science orchestrates the gold's liquefaction. Within the induction's embrace, gold becomes liquid light, a shimmering pool of pure, incandescent potential. Along the continuous casting line, molten gold flows, shaping itself into the fundamental forms of future jewelry. From solid rod to delicate thread, the gold wire drawing machine refines its form, preparing for intricate designs. Meticulously coiled, the fine gold wire awaits its destiny, a versatile material for countless exquisite creations. Within this hall of brilliance, raw diamonds and gems begin their journey, sorted by nature's unique artistry. The gemologist's discerning eye uncovers the hidden beauty within each rough diamond, revealing its unique potential. A microscopic inscription, a unique identifier etched onto the diamond, guaranteeing its authenticity and journey. The diamond cutter, with unwavering focus, prepares for the first pivotal cut, unlocking the stone's inner fire. With the whisper of a diamond saw, the rough stone begins its journey, a precise cut revealing its potential. The rhythmic dance of the scaphe and diamond, as facets emerge, each stroke unlocking unparalleled brilliance. From rough to radiant, the polished diamond, a symphony of light, now gleams with captivating brilliance.
In the sterile precision of the gemological lab, each diamond undergoes rigorous grading, its true value unveiled.
Each diamond, meticulously graded, now safely nestled in its protective pouch, awaiting its role in a masterpiece. Safely packaged, these precious diamonds journey towards their fortified sanctuary, awaiting their destined purpose. In the vibrant design studio, creativity flows as artisans transform concepts into breathtaking digital realities. With the stylus, a designer sculpts light and shadow, bringing intricate visions to life in the digital realm. The 3D printer, a marvel of modern engineering, meticulously crafts the wax model, layer by delicate layer. The delicate wax models are carefully prepared, nested within the flask, awaiting their molten gold transformation. Liquid investment engulfs the models, forming a perfect mold, ready for the intense heat of the burnout furnace.
From the intense heat of the burnout furnace, the wax vanishes, leaving behind perfect, intricate cavities.
With practiced skill, the incandescent flask is carefully retrieved, holding the empty molds, awaiting molten gold. Molten gold flows, filling every intricate cavity of the mold, transforming into the final, exquisite form. The dramatic quench reveals the intricate gold tree, each piece born from molten liquid, now solid and shining. With delicate precision, each jewel is separated from its golden tree, ready for individual refinement.
The artisan's hands, guided by generations of skill, meticulously file and shape, transforming raw gold into wearable art. Link by delicate link, the golden chain extends, a testament to meticulous assembly and enduring strength.
With each precise cut, a delicate floral pattern emerges, hand-engraved, imbuing the gold with unique artistry. Under the microscopic gaze, every finished jewel undergoes a final, uncompromising inspection for absolute perfection.
Even the most minuscule imperfection is detected, ensuring only flawless masterpieces ever reach our esteemed clients. Behold the masterpiece, a custom necklace, born of fire and artistry.
Every detail, even the clasp, speaks of meticulous craftsmanship, a hidden gem of engineering and artistry.
The closed box, a vessel of untold stories, now stands, a promise of beauty.
The moment of truth. A hand reaches out, ready to unlock the beauty, to claim a piece of enduring artistry.
The moment of pure joy, as the masterpiece finds its rightful owner, a bond forged in beauty and exquisite artistry.
It's a custom piece. We designed it specifically for the event.
It's absolutely breathtaking. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
As the sun sets, another cycle concludes, but the legacy of craftsmanship, precision, and beauty.
The cycle begins anew. Fresh gold nuggets, each a promise, enter the meticulous world of high-value manufacturing. With careful measure, raw gold fills the crucible, anticipating the fiery crucible of its profound transformation. Automated precision guides the crucible into the induction furnace, where science orchestrates the gold's liquefaction. Within the induction's embrace, gold becomes liquid light, a shimmering pool of pure, incandescent potential.
Along the continuous casting line, molten gold flows, shaping itself into the fundamental forms of future jewelry. From solid rod to delicate thread, the gold wire drawing machine refines its form, preparing for intricate designs.
Meticulously coiled, the fine gold wire awaits its destiny, a versatile material for countless exquisite creations. Within this hall of brilliance, raw diamonds and gems begin their journey, sorted by nature's unique artistry. The gemologist's discerning eye uncovers the hidden beauty within each rough diamond, revealing its unique potential.